The motorcycle I'll be working on in this build series will be a 1973 Kawasaki F7 Enduro motorcycle. It's a 175cc two-stroke. Let's get started. I've decided to do a full teardown and rebuild for a few reasons. The main reason this motorcycle was a project when I acquired it was the electrical wiring. The wiring was completely off the motorcycle when I received it. I did my best to attach the wiring to get the motorcycle to run, and I was able to get it to run for a few seconds, but not to idle. Although I was able to get the electrical system mostly working, there was a lot of cracked and old wire insulation that left exposed wire, and a lot of the plastic components were melted, which isn't really a great sign. The other main issue the motorcycle is facing has to do with leaks. Both the oil reservoir tank and the gas tank were leaking fuel and oil respectively. From a visual inspection, I also noticed that the engine gaskets may be degraded, and a leaking crankcase seal is a known issue with these F7s. Oh yeah, and the exhaust gasket is currently a shoelace for some reason. That's all the commentary I've got for this segment. I'll be posting a new video every Friday and maybe some in between if I have the time. I hope you enjoy the teardown of the project. Let me know in the comments if there's anything specifically you'd like to see or if there's anything you think I could do differently. Well, that's the end of the teardown. The whole process only took about 2 hours and 50 minutes, which is a lot quicker than I had expected. Next, it's time to start working on all of the different parts. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to. Don't if you don't want to. It's up to you. Like I said earlier, I'll be posting a new video every Friday, maybe some more in between if I have more time to work on it.